All right, big breaking news coming in at this point of time. Due to power supply failure in Mumbai region, residents of Mumbai requested to call up 022-22694-727. That's the latest helpline number that has been put out right there by the BMC. I'll just walk you through the other numbers, 022-22694-7725. All these numbers, in fact, are flashing across your screens right now. In case of any kind of an emergency, BMC is saying call up these numbers. BMC has put out this particular statement. Due to power supply failure in Mumbai, residents of Mumbai request to call up these numbers that are flashing across your screens. There would be inevitably some sort of emergencies that people might find themselves in. There would be perhaps a few casualties as well on the back of this power cut in Mumbai. We do not know. Reports are coming in. It's a developing story. But in case you're stuck, in case there's an emergency, in case there's a problem, the BMC has been very proactive in putting out these numbers. So please call up these numbers and they will help out. Coco Mangnani, she's a prominent citizen of the city, is now joining us from Mumbai. Coco, what's your sense at this point of time? Is there a lot of palpable amount of panic that you're feeling at the moment?
No, there's no panic as such, but a lot of my friends have cancelled their kids' online classes, and I just got a letter on WhatsApp saying that Adani has sent out a letter saying that they're going to shut the services for a few hours today. So, and the letter is dated the 10th. We had the whole of yesterday for citizens to be told. We could have taken some kind of precautions, and forget about the classes and the weather and all those things. I'm more worried about the hospitals where people might be on ventilators and need the electricity. Had they been told beforehand that such a thing is going to happen, I think people would have been better prepared.
You mentioned about the Adani Power letter that has come. If you could just recap what you were about to say, that this letter is dated 10th, you're saying, and they had time to fix this. Is that what you're saying? And you had a heads up on this? Did you have a heads up on this? You said you have a letter from Adani Power.
I have received it today through some WhatsApp messages, friends, neighbors, etc.
No, that we can't trust. That we can't. Is that an official statement coming in from Adani Power, Coco?
I don't know if it's real or it's fake. I cannot say.
Let's not depend on these WhatsApp messages. But at the moment, with what is the kind of difficulty you're facing as a resident? Is there problems with water? Are there people who are stuck in elevators? Are your neighbors panicking? What are your concerns as a citizen at the moment?
I think nobody's panicking because it's not life or death for neighbors and things like that. They probably will have to cancel their children's classes, and I have online classes to save battery and everything. I've decided not to do them today. I run classes, so I'm not going to be doing my classes today. And there's no panic as such, but if that letter is real and if it's true, and if there was a warning, or this letter was around from the 10th and we were not told the whole of yesterday, I think that's really poor management on the side of BMC or government, or this is really not on. If they had this information, to not make it available to the citizens is incorrect.
Hold on right there, Coco. We're coming back to you in just...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.